Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in a city called Hospet in India. We were visiting the temples. I hope you really enjoyed the videos. There were two videos about the main temple or one of the main temples, and then also we did a tour. Have a look here. There is a map. The first video was from here. The second was this route, basically all the way up here. Hospet is around somewhere this side. Hospet is like a middle-sized town, so I want to show you also how the city looks like. Come and enjoy. There's always a lot of big boards with people. I think it's like the ministers or something. I'm not sure. I guess it's for the election. There's written 2023. There's pretty much traffic. Like, look at all the lines of motorbikes. It's Saturday. And it's still so busy. There are many people. There also, have a look. Just enjoy the vibe of the city. Huge guavas. And this is really good, the dragon fruit. It's white inside with like black dots. I don't know how is this called, but you can even get it in Tanzania. But look, there is also a lot of guys selling the fruits. In Africa, it's mostly women. Oh, strawberries, I love tangerines. You are from? Yes, this is lychee. This is lychee, it's very, very tasty. Shall we get some? Can we just get this? How much? Just to try. How much? So this is the lychee. They're like, you peel it like this, and then and then there is a little seed. Very tasty. And give me something for 50. How much was this? So it's 50. There's also this pomegranate. That's really tasty. But it's actually very hard to eat. You have to cut it in the middle, and then there is like little seeds. So we are just walking the street. We are at one of the big roundabouts. There is a statue. As you know, in India, they always have statues everywhere. So I really like it. Look at the cows just chilling in the middle of the road. So here in Hampi, I didn't get much time. I was just staying here overnight because I wanted to catch the train. So I will also include in this video me catching the train. I got the tickets. I didn't record that one because it was so messy, but I have some footage from other places. So finally, I got a chance to buy the train. In this season, it was really difficult. I was only traveling by buses. So enjoy the city. And also, you can let me know in comments, how do you see middle-sized towns in India? How do they look like? Compare them with your places. And also, try to guess where I'm going next. In this area, there are a lot of shops. You can see here for the clothes and toys. You can also try the juice. And also, if you are in India, don't miss the mango lassi and kulfi. Though you have to be very careful and choose a very clean place because you can get sick from the water. Hello, how are you? Namaste, namaste. India is producing a lot of clothes, so I guess here you can get brand new clothes at great prices. Let's just have a look. Like, all the prices here saying 150, 50, 70. A lot of nice clothes, but let's go. In Indian comparison, Hospet is a small town. It is about 200,000 people. It's 224th biggest town in India. So that it has a lot of buildings, shops. You can see there's so many lassi options, sweet options, There is, of course, banks, everything, and a lot of food. You should definitely try Indian food. You can get thali, you can get lassi, you can get paneer, you can get dal. A lot of options. So enjoy, and let's go. I really love this sugarcane juice. They basically squeeze the sugarcane to get the juice, but the problem is always it's mixed with water, and you never know which water they use. So I never eat it. You can get big stomach problems. And all the international fast foods, like right there is Pizza Hut. On the other side there is KFC, Domino's. But this Richmond Cafe, or yes, it looks very nice. Have a look. In India, you also have to try the chai. Chai masala is like very sweet, or you can make it sweet, but it's with all the masala flavors or the spices. It's really good. 10 rupees. You can. I don't want to use the clay pot because everybody is using it. I don't know how they wash them. Very tasty. It has cardamom. It has. What do you put? Cardamom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you put inside? Cardamom, cinnamon. Okay, he doesn't know. The second most important religion after Hinduism is cricket in India. Have a look. Everybody, everywhere where there is a place, people get a cricket bat and they start playing. This is actually the college campus, I think. So yeah, this cricket field was a college. You can see all the college kids here. In India, it's very important. Education is super important. That's why Indians are getting a lot of jobs, a lot of investments are coming to India, because the people in India value it a lot, and many of them are educated in fields of computer science, engineering, economics. That's what attracts the international companies to come here and invest and hire Indians. At least this one. You have to finish. Whose was it?
No.
You have to finish. Subscribe and like.
Okay.
See you. I was surprised to find kids playing. Oh, okay, they were not kids, they were teenagers playing with a Rubik cube. Indians, as you know, Indians were always very good in mathematics. They are the ones who invented zero. Before, we didn't have that, and it's a really important number. They always decorate everything. It's so nice. You can get all those here, all those mixtures, this masala, a lot of them. They're very nice, very spicy, a lot of flavors. Let me get one. There is a couple of modern houses. There is one by the train station, but there you cannot even record. It looks like a palace. We are going to go back. This was a little bit of a slum area, or like a less developed area, but look here, this busy street with the people selling and cars and rickshaws, tractors. I really like this. Look at all the sweets. India has a lot of sweets. They call them always Bikaner. I don't know if it's a brand or something, but look, always try some of these ones. I really like these. There are so many, and there's a lot of these ones that are very sweet. Now, these ones down here, they're super sweet. I think it's those. Okay, can I get one? One. Yes, this. Okay, 1 kg is 500 and 1 piece is 30. That doesn't make sense. How much is it? That's a lot, 30 rupees. If 1 kg is... Come on, if 1 kg... Mmm. Really good. Wow, it's so sweet and so good. Let's go. I was having this food with the pancake or something. It's really good. Here, there, and also on the opposite side, many times people are just eating fast while standing. Like they get the food, eat, go, back to work.
You're good?
It's been fun to quickly make a video, all the temples, and now we're rushing to the train station. We have arrived to the train station in Hospet. It looks very modern and very beautiful. So now we are finally going to take the train. I've been trying for 3 weeks to get a train, but in this season, it's touristy season, it's all full. We are going to India's biggest city, you can guess, and let me know in comments. It's the capital of Maharashtra, it's the financial hub of India. Let me know in comments if you know which city I'm going to. Stay tuned, enjoy the video, hope you like HOSAPETE, and see my next one. Look at the sign of the wild boar. There must be a legend with it. Like this train is like 1 kilometer long or something. The platform is huge. It's crazy. The train has arrived. Look at how huge it is. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like 15, maybe 20 coaches, and they have all different. I think they have 3 classes: seater, sleeper, AC, non-AC. We are in the seater. That was the last space. So let me get my bags and we'll enter.